Today we are going to be using Google Gemini and my prompt template to change this design into a fully functioning site with placeholder images. We'll not write any single line of code, no drag and drop, no HTML, just my powerful prompts, and the AI will do the rest. So step number 0. Step number 0 is the most important one. This is the foundation. So before anything, we have to prepare the foundation. So the foundation is some resources. These resources are the site, the design. This design is in image format and PDF format. And the section by section, the images, section by section images. So section by section images from the navigation to the footer, one image for every section. The color palettes, the font selection. I just use Google Fonts, the best free fonts, let me say that, and some key visuals and some logos. So these are the resources you need. Step number 1 is initialization. Our first prompt or message is to tell our LLM, which is Google Gemini, to initialize the project. So here we're going to be telling it the role, the context, the tasks that it's supposed to do. This will help it to guide it properly. So as you can see on the screen, this is how we instruct it. We just initialize the system. Step number 2, or the second step, is analyzation. So this step is just to take our site and give us some results, some structured results. So it is analyzes the site. So as you can see over here, I am uploading the image and providing the prompt. And then it's going to perform its magic. And after that, it gives us this result as the structure, all right? As simple as that, okay? The third step is activation. So over here is where we make the skeleton or the backbone of our program. So this is the boilerplate code. We are going to give this prompt to our Google Gemini, and then it's going to activate it. Please make sure to press the code canvas so that this is where everything will be working. So please click the code canvas. All right, so you can see our backbone or our skeleton, the boilerplate, has been made. The fourth step is the full site generation. So for this one, we are going to be uploading all the images, section images. Over here, you can see over here I'm uploading, there are 10, and then provide this prompt so that the whole site can be uploaded. After that, I'm going to provide the word just proceed, and the whole site will be generated. All right, so you can see how it's being generated on our end. Perfect. The fifth step is the cleanup, or iteration. So AI will definitely make mistake. Your LLM will definitely make a mistake, and you'll need to clean up. Though this step is repeated by checking all the parts and cleaning it up. So for this one, you provide a prompt by defining exactly what doesn't look like the site. All right, so you're defining exactly what doesn't look like the site. And then you'll provide an extra image to remind the LLM how the site should look like, all right? So let us do that. Over here, as you can see, this is the instruction, and then let me provide it like this, all right? Now click, let AI do its magic. As you can see now, this section has been fully corrected. Now it's perfect. So you need to repeat this for all the sections that you feel are not perfect, like that. So that was the last one, but we have an additional one, which is the 6th step. We call it carry on. So for this one, sometimes your chart can be really full with a lot of information. So this one summarizes. So this one summarizes everything, and then it takes it to another chart. so that you can begin a fresh new chat with new information and all your code. So that is all. You can simply download my prompt template. It contains the design files, all the images, my past charts with different LLMs to improve the system, and obviously it contains the prompt template. So that is all. I hope you can use it and see the power of AI in real time, making a fully functioning site, and you will own the site. Thank you, and bye-bye. Bye.